What's good with YouTube? Welcome to the channel Barry Has Something to Say, where I react to what's going on in the world today. Please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And make sure you have the notification bells on at all times. Please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Helps the channel go a long way. Please show the other channel some love as well. See so good. Please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button over there. I appreciate you guys loving them videos. Appreciate you guys loving them shorts. Thank you. I deeply appreciate it. In this video here, we're going to get into some dummies driving cars. Doing some ridiculous stuff, not thinking they know it all. Just acting like dummies. But I ain't gonna hold you much longer. Let's get to it. Idiot. Really? Really?
Idiots.
Man. Where's that car going? Where is it going? Everybody is not meant to have a license. Period.
Jesus, man.
Everyone is not meant to have a license. Lord have mercy.
What song is that from? Oh, it's, yeah. Oh.
Right there.
Dead smack in the middle. Now I want to back away like it didn't do nothing.
Oh, is he running?
Is he really trying to get out?
No, they're probably...
I think he just fled. Yeah. We got his...
We have him on dash.
City like Latunchi now. My little Muslim goonies hit your koofy for some Rucci round. She fucked her like a groupie, get that coochie for 2 Gucci bags. Yeah, the stack of seeds and put up the nice motion though.
Bro.
Well, Barry got something to say. Barry has something to say real quick before we can continue. I know that car seen that other car behind him when he was backing out. I know he saw that. Whoever was in that car, I know they seen them. Like, pay attention to your surroundings. You could have been turned a little more to your right. But no, you chose to hit another pedestrian car for no reason. People. Ugh.
KDM 4190.
Ain't got your plate. Why do y'all keep trying to get over it? You don't have the right. You don't have the way.
Retarded?
Yeah, they obviously are.
I started as an industrial mechanic and then worked my way into being a robotics mechanic.
No way, truck. No way, truck. And it's messy conditions outside too. He's slipping and sliding.
I know that that's bad. You're a Christian. You're not supposed to hate people.
Idiot, man. Idiot.
And
She was big enough not to be in a car seat, Jane.
Where'd that car turn from? It seemed like it came out of nowhere.
U-turn.
What the?
Exactly. It just slid out of control. What are you doing, red car? What are you doing? That car had the need for speed.
Manual recording will now start.
What are you doing, white car? What are you doing?
Wow.
Why you keep stopping? I hate when cars do that.
Okay.
Why do you always stop in the middle? Like, go.
Seriously, what are you
I
doing?
hate that.
Pick somewhere to go.
At the next light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left.
Where that car come? Whoa. Psh. Them damn Teslas. I feel like sometimes they want to cause accidents on purpose. That's just how I feel sometimes. Like, they just want to cause the accident just to cause one for no reason. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Did that green car hit him? Where's it going? Whoa, Barry got something to say real quick. How do you guys not know you're going the wrong way? You gotta know you're going the wrong way. You have to know. You're not gonna sit here and tell me you're not going the wrong way. You have to know that. You gotta know that. Again, I just feel like people want to cause accidents on purpose. I know that just sounds jacked up to say. That's just my theory. It's just what I feel. I feel like people want to get a rise for no reason. Like, let me know down in the comments if you agree that people just try to cause accidents for no apparent reason. Like, man. What are you doing, Chevy?
Whoa.
Look at you. Look at you. Just skated off like nothing happened. Like, I know you see that big ass truck. You gotta see it.
Oh my god, dude, you had the blinker on way before.
Right?
People are dumbasses.
Accident.
Yeah, I got that on camera. Oh. No way. Yeah, that's on camera.
White car. That daggone white car. Just caused an accident. A whole accident. What is that truck, big old truck doing? No, no, no! What are you doing? Y'all act like y'all own the road. Y'all do not own the road. It's for everybody to drive on. It's for everyone. You do not own the road. He just ran a full red light. still gonna turn anyway.
Shoot.
Yeah, shoot is right. Good eyes and awareness. Because that could have been all kinds bad. Right in the middle of the street, trying to do a U-E. Trying to bust a U-turn. What? Whole tire came off. What are you doing? What are you doing? You know there's a car behind you. Why do that? Y'all gotta be more aware of what y'all be doing on the road.
Insane shoppers wreaking havoc. The outlet to a broken glass and sliced her thumb wide open. The shopper ran over to a first aid kit the staff had provided, only to find that
What happened to that truck? How did it get way into the on the side of the road? That's my question. Y'all let me know down in the comments how y'all think that truck got way over on the side of the road.
Recording emergency video.
You could have got over. What are you doing? Spent out of control. Car, whoa, that was almost an accident right there. That truck was I said truck, I'm sorry. The bus was speeding like crazy, wasn't it?
What's that?
He's left the group because the experience was really stressful to me. Not exciting like he thought. So it was the first time he'd taken one of the games. He said that afterwards.
Video protected.
Holy sh**.
Straight idiots.
Okay, Garmin.
Idiot.
Save video. What the f***?
The recharging portion.
Oh, that tree is.
Oh no! Zero's sorry.
I don't know what we do now.
There's nothing you can do. Try to reverse back. It was probably a dead end. You just didn't want to listen to it. It's a whole pile up. Whole pile up.
Stays outside. Where is the ambulance? I didn't call.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So one is black, one is white. That doesn't really matter, but typically when we are.
I feel like one too many times we've done it all. Now we're moving on. I won't be stuck here in your lies and my fault. So how do you carry on?
That's what it looked like. Why? 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 It's gonna spin out of control. I can feel it. Cop got him. Well, that's it for this video. My closing verse is this. Everybody's not meant to have a driver's license. Everybody ain't meant to drive. Everybody is not meant to have a license. I feel like you people try to cause accidents just for no reason. Like, you're not looking at your mirrors. You're not looking at your top mirror. You ain't looking back. Like, when it comes to driving, you got to be aware of your surroundings at all times. But y'all people want to play God and think y'all can just, y'all rule the road and don't rule a damn thing. Everybody is meant for everybody to drive on the road and get home safely or whatever they gonna go do. Period. Quit playing God out here. Be aware of your surroundings while driving. Period. Be aware. And quit being idiots. Quit being dummies. But that's all I have to say. Please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Barry has something to say. Link will be in the description box. I'm over and out. Peace.